Motorcycle Maniacs! Boom! Shakalaka! I'm back from vacation. And it was awesome. If you've never been to South Padre Island, I highly recommend you try to get there. It was great, man. Told y'all in the other videos, this is like the third time I've been to the beach. First one, I don't remember, I was a baby. Second one, it was Galveston. I'm sorry if you're from there. I wasn't very impressed. And I didn't get to do really any beach-related activities during that trip. So, this, in my opinion, was my first beach trip. Me and my girl had an awesome time, man. I just can't even say that enough. The South Padre Island is really beautiful. The beach, no complaints except people who litter up the beach. Where we were at, wasn't too big of an issue with that. But we explored the island where really there's nothing but beach, no condos, no hotels, no nothing. It's just basically a road dead ends and you get out on the beach, and man, you can tell people are out there and they partied, and beer bottles and lighters and just garbage everywhere. I'm like, come on, man, pick up your trash. Bought some boogie boards, did some of the boogie board action. Didn't get any video of that, sorry, but I'll put a funny, or at least my girlfriend found a lot of humor in it, a little clip of me talking about my beach, or my boogie board skills. And, but saw those waves, I'm probably going to go out there and do some really fancy boogie board activity. And I would video that, but I don't want my professional secrets leaking out, so that's going to stay on the down low. Yeah, man, just an awesome place, man. I did fly the drone a little bit. I didn't get very much video just because where we were at, it was, I mean, there were still quite a few people on the beach. So we went out early one morning, but didn't have anybody get pissy or anything like that about flying the drone. I just don't want to be the guy that irritates somebody on their vacation. So I only did a little bit of the drone flying. So I'm going to put a little of that in here. So you can just see, you know, the kind of the area we were at and what it was all about. But yeah, really awesome time. We only did the 3 days. We didn't stop off anywhere else. We thought about it, but we actually did contact the condo owner and see if we could get another night or two, but he'd already had it booked, which I had a feeling that was going to happen. But I think next time we decided that if we do it, we're probably going to do at least 4 days. 3 days was nice. Just it goes by so quick. We got to do a bunch of stuff though. I didn't get any video of it, but we went to they have a sea turtle rescue center there. They didn't have a whole lot of turtles anyway at the time. I mean, but basically all they're doing is rescuing sick or injured turtles and getting them ready to be released back. So we saw, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 sea turtles. That was cool. I'd never seen a sea turtle, so that was kind of a neat deal to do. Spent a lot of money in the shops, man. They got shops everywhere. So I got a bunch of shirts, stuff like that. But yeah, man, overall, awesome trip, man. It really was. Went and, oh, as another thing, I'll put some video of the Port Isabella Lighthouse. I'll try to put a little snippet in there about it because I can't remember everything about it, but it was built in like the 1800s, and now it's basically just a little museum deal where you can go and I don't know, I think it's like $4 a person or something, and you can get up in it and walk up to the top, which was kind of neat. Had a really nice view of everything around, so I'll put some of that video in. But that's basically right before you get to the bridge to cross the bay to get to South Padre Island.
Okay, please tell us about this. What is this?
This is just a lighthouse, the Port Isabel Lighthouse.
You gotta speak up.
Oh my, I'm not going to yell.
Go ahead.
It's just the Port Isabel Lighthouse.
When was it?
I don't know.
That's your tour guide, people. There's a little bit more stair climbing here. Can you get up here? I'll try not to mess up his picture. Yes.
So we did that. And other than that, man, we just relaxed. We, you know, first day we got there, we were to check into the condo at 4, and we got there at like 2, I think, which was planned. And we just changed into the swimsuits and hit the beach and laid out until 4 o'clock. Then we went and hauled everything to the condo and ate and all that. And then, like I said, we did a bunch of just laying on the beach, playing in the water, boogie boarding, getting wiped out by waves. I really wish I had some video of that, because I got pounded a few times by some good waves. My girlfriend got taken down one time boogie boarding very bad, and then one time just standing there she got crushed by a huge wave, lost her sunglasses. It was pretty entertaining. So like I said, I don't want to bore y'all with a whole lot of video, but I'm going to put some clips in here of you know, this, that, and the other thing I talked about. Or on the way home, nothing but rain, man. The whole time on the island, beautiful weather. It was a little humid, but other than that, it was like in the 80s. The ocean breeze, which was awesome, but made video recording horrible with the audio. But other than that, it was awesome, man. We laid out on the beach, had a great time. I did miss my dog. It seemed to me that she really enjoyed my girlfriend's family, so I don't know if she really would have minded if I'd have stayed another few days. So that was pretty cool that I didn't have to worry about her, even though I missed her, but got her back. She's back at the house now, chilling. It's good to be back on the bike. It's filthy, filthy, filthy. I said that in like my last video. I need to wash it, but I've got so much stuff going on, man. Being out of town and all that, but I'll get her cleaned up. But anyway, guys, I'm going to close this one out because it's going to be probably long because with the clips and stuff. Just thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody who subscribed. Thanks for all the great comments, the supportive comments. Really appreciate that. Do hit the subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that fun stuff. You know it. You know it. You hear it on everybody's video. And I guess that's why I say it in all mine, because you hear it every time when you watch somebody's videos. So that's just what I do now. But I really do appreciate it, because I like watching those numbers go up. I love watching people see the views click up, knowing people are watching, and coming back and watching more. If they hit that subscribe button, if they hit that notification, they want to be one of the first ones to see it. So I appreciate all that love, man. It's greatness. And I'm full of love right now, man. I've been on beach time. Had my toes in the sand. And as always, people, see you on the next video.